How to find locked chats on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So launch your WhatsApp application. After that, on top of your chat, you will see a folder locked chats. If you have locked any of the chats, those chats will remain in this section. Now, in order to open it, simply tap on the chat, lock chats text, and then scan using unlock using your fingerprint or your PIN to your mobile. Now, all these lock chats will appear. If you want to change the lock chat settings, simply tap on this three dot, then go to chat lock settings, and then if you want to hide those chats, you can create a secret code and then only after inserting that code you will be able to unlock it or view the chat. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.